Ice Dancers of YouTube. Today's Technical Tuesday is going to be dedicated to BLT, that's bend, lean and twist. These three ingredients are really going to add the seasoning to your skating skills. There's something here for everyone, so let's get started.
So starting with bend, we should have good posture, head, shoulders, hips and then feet, knees the only parts sticking out. Next we'll experiment with lean, starting on straight legs, gently reach over, can't go very far on straight legs, so let's try bent knees. You'll notice the difference of how much more you can commit from one side to the other. And now we're going to rotate into twist, keeping the feet really still and drawing the shoulders right round until they point the same direction as your skating blade. And now my favorite kind of twist. People forget about this one. We can rotate the standing leg inside the hip joint. Let's explore lean. There's two kinds, whole body lean and half and half. In this example of full body lean, we're on a straighter leg, so it's much easier to see. Whole body leaning in from the base of the foot to the top of the head. Try experimenting with the difference between skating that on a bent knee or a straight knee. Next up, half and half lean, with the shoulders heading out and the hips heading into the circle. Time for a control challenge. In this exercise, less really is more. Start with a straight line glide, get down in the knee, and gently send the body weight across into the circle. The less you can move your arms and free leg from good basic alignment, the better your control will be. Experiment with trying to start an inside edge in the same way. Each skater will have their own preference. Some find outside edge easier, some will find inside edge easier. It's all about discovering your strengths and areas for improvement. Our channel aims to be interactive with watchers, so if you're enjoying this video and have a request for future content, drop your suggestion to our comments section. Subscribe and you'll get notified each time we premiere new content. Now back to exploring our control, starting with the powerful psychological tool of imagery. For a moment, imagine yourself riding a bicycle. Most people have freewheeled on an empty path. When we do, especially as kids, we often play turning the handlebars and that front wheel side to side, weaving to and fro down the path. Now let's turn our foot into our front wheel. Build a little momentum, establish your balance, and then begin the twist motion of the standing leg side to side, just like the front wheel of the bicycle. Upper body should remain completely still, and having the weight in the heel of the skate really helps.